I got a Pittsburgh torque wrench. It's 21 bucks. I'm not gonna overspend for something I'm just gonna use here and there. Here we go. I can get my Harbor Freight hat. Look around. Look alive. I brought the Coco Loco. How you like Harbor Freight? Yeah, you like that. You like that? Yeah, you like that. Alright, quick review. Just got the Pittsburgh half-inch torque wrench. I was gonna get the Quinn, but I didn't. Check it out. Doesn't sound bad. At least mine doesn't. I already put the specs for 88 for the Jetta. The Jetta's right out there. There you go. And let's do this. Also, what else do I have for the project? My dog Coco chilling. Impact. Half-inch. Alright, so I saved myself like a good amount of money getting the Pittsburgh torque wrench, and that's to get the specific weight torque on each bolt on whatever, but I use it for my wheel rotations. Got a little setup. Here we go. Forward wheel drive. The front wheels go back and the back wheels cross. All right, so there you go. Now I'm gonna finish this. But yeah, torque wrench, 20 bucks. Not the best one, but whatever, you know, I have one. Coco, you ran away right now, huh? Damn, you're supposed to be my helper. All right, just did the entire wheel rotation with the mid torque, and let's check the battery. Still has full battery, and it did everything easy. I even had to put it on safety mode. All right, let's go drop this car. Rotation done. Mid torque fuel M18, perfect for home. I'm gonna drop this bitch and then I'm gonna torque to spec. All right, here's what the gear wrench Pittsburgh sounds like. It's the torque wrench. I'm just gonna put my phone here. It's still recording. This is a safety with what is it? Milwaukee 21 socket. There you go. Do the rest with the 17 socket. That's what it sounds like. Sounds pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. There you go. There it is. Pittsburgh torque wrench. It worked for me. It probably worked for you. All right. We high enough now? Yeah. Torque to spec. Huh?
That's how you found my dolly.
Yep. How much was it?
$5.
No, it wasn't.
You are so?
Wow. Literally saved my life today. Oh shit. Coco? Coco? Hi, buddy. Woo! Alright, this is the last video I'm making. I just did the wheel rotation on the 2011 Jetta. It's forward wheel drive, so these front wheels go back and the back wheels go cross, okay? Easy peasy. For my car, I used the 17 socket, which I had, and the 21 socket, which is a safety socket. This is the socket for the nuts, and then I have a safety 21. So anyway, I don't know where I left that, but the video is this: the Daytona's heavy duty 3-ton 6,000 pound jack stands. I thought I got the orange one. They're actually red, but man, they are sick. I got the warranty, so if I don't like something on it, I could return them, and that's cool with me. I can even upgrade. Let me see. I'll show you guys. Hey, Bestie and a Tessie. Let me show you guys the older ones. These are my father-in-law's. These are the ones I've used forever. This is the first time using these. They look the same. It could just, it feels denser. It could just be the paint coating. It could just be the paint coating, but if you see straight down, it looks a little thinner. I'm not saying the integrity isn't there. I'm sure it is, and they were tested. But that's the older ones. And this is the new one. Here we go. I like it a lot. Sheesh. Yeah. Check it out. Want to hear it? Yeah, you do. There you go. All right, I'm gonna stash these, put these away until next time.